Hello out there, YouTube friends. Today we have a trend send. So it has been a minute since I have done a trend send. I kind of put them on hold a couple months back just because the items that they were sending me were a little bit pricier than what I was wanting to spend. But I do like to do their themed edits from time to time. So I thought I would do a themed edit. I can't remember which edit it is. Maybe they will tell me inside. But I do like to do their themed edits. Those are kind of fun just to get a couple of fun pieces each season. So I'm probably going to do these quarterly unless I get some really good prices on some of these items. You can go to their website if you've never done trend send before. You can go to their Evereve website and make a wish list. Your trend send account and your Evereve account, if you use the same email, they will look at your wish list to see if they can find those items or similar items to add to your box. They do put the items in outfits for you, which I love. They style it for you. They give you tips and tricks on how to style the items yourself as well in their notes. And there is a $20 styling fee. If you've never tried trend send before, feel free to check out the description box. There is a referral link down there that will give you 20% off, I believe, and gives me 20% off as well. And I think they still have your first box is $1. So it can't hurt to give it a try. The $20 that you spend on your box will go towards anything that you wish to keep in your box. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so this is what your box will look like. Everything is in bundles, so they are separated, like I said, in outfits. You do have a note. You have your invoice in here as well. We're going to take some time to read the note. I did have a couple viewers telling me that I need to move things along and that I need to make the videos a little shorter. And I try to do that, but when I do that, I feel like I'm rushing everything. So I'm just going to do it. And if you guys want to move ahead, that's completely fine with me. If you want to suggest that maybe I put some timestamps down in the description box, I will happily do that as well. I like to enjoy the filming process. So I hope that you guys will hang out with me and just enjoy this process with me as well. So Haley is my stylist. She has been my stylist for a little bit, so that's good that she's sticking with me. She says, happy trend send day. I hope all is well and you are ready for all things fall capsule. I loved getting to style this box for you and being able to add a pair of leggings, a versatile jacket, and a lightweight sweater that you are going to be wearing all season long. Your message was so helpful. Let me know what you think of each piece for next time. Have fun. I also did make sure that I utilized the style note. I went back and looked at my profile again. I updated my profile so that I would really get some good items that I would consider keeping this time. So when you do trend send, if you buy 4 or more items, you do get a 10% off discount. So that is my style note. There's not as much in here, it doesn't look like this time, which is okay. It was the fall capsule. So let's go ahead and dig in. All right, looks like we might have a belt or a pair of jewelry. Oh, we have a belt. Good. I need a belt, a good belt. So this looks like it is going to be a black belt. Nice, versatile. Does have a little bit of texture to it, and it does have gold details here. What are these called? Not details. Gold. Can't think of the name. Someone will tell me what it's called. Gold something. Details. Accessories. I don't know. All right. Then we have a pretty green tank top. It is a mock neck tank. Very pretty. And then we have a pair of cut from the cloth jeans. The last pair of jeans, actually, I've bought 2 pair of jeans, I think, from them that are both cut from the cloth. So these do have some distressing. They are a wide leg. They are a lighter wash. So I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about these, but the wide leg is kind of on trend right now. So we'll see how these work out with the top that she sent and the belt. So very cute outfit number 1. Let's see what we have in outfit number 2. All right, so looks like we have a very pretty, ooh, very soft, lightweight. Looks like it is a turtleneck, cream collared, lightweight sweater. It does have a detail going down here in the back, some stitching there, and then some detail here at the shoulders. So I just bought a sweater that's very similar to this from my last Wantable. But we'll see how that one goes. Let's see. And these must be the leggings that she's talking about. Like I told you in my last video, if you missed it, it was an Amazon haul. I have been looking for some good, sturdy, strong black leggings. So these are by Sanctuary. They have the details like they're a jegging, like a jean. And they do have working pockets here in the back. And they are just a solid black. All right. Cute. This must be the jacket. All right. Wow, very pretty. Look at this. Love that. Very pretty plaid, like a long type of blazer. Very cute. I like it. All right, so let's get to putting some stuff together. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with outfit number 1. So here is the blazer. It is definitely a longer blazer, which I like. It's very cute. Does have the collar here. I think the color of it, the plaid, is very versatile, that I would get a lot of use out of it, wearing it with a lot of different things. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light either. It could be worn dressed up or dressed down. It does have pockets, which are very nice. I feel like the sleeves are a good length. Very cute, very pretty. What do you guys think? This would look cute with like just even jeans and like a lighter weight hoodie with the hood hanging out as well. See, it does button for me without any problems. So that would be good if I ever wanted to button it. I don't know that I ever would, but if I wanted to, the option is there. So that's nice. I like it. It's very comfortable. Definitely a contender. All right. So obviously the belt doesn't fit. I did look. They sent me a medium large as opposed to a large extra large. So definitely a factor there. So if they would have sent a large extra large, I think it would have been fine. And I do like it. I struggle with belts because I rarely wear tighter fitting items on top and tuck in all the way, or tuck. I mean, I sometimes do the front tuck, but it's more billowy. So this is a different look for me, but I understand what Haley was doing. She's balancing out because these are a wide leg jean with a more fitted top. I do like the halter style of this. I like the mock turtleneck. Under the sleeves is good as well. I should have gotten closer to show you the print of the jacket, and I will in just a second. I'll show you that. But I love this color. I think the color is great. It's not a color that I have in my closet currently. I feel like the fit is very nice. Of course, it is going to be more fitted here in this area. And of course, when I sit down, I just have to be aware that that's going to, I mean, my muffin top is going to be what it is, you know. But I feel like the fit is very good. You're just going to have those possible lumps and bumps there in the back just because of the way the shirt is. It's a more fitted shirt. So let me get the jacket really quick. Here we go. It is just a brown and black small plaid with a cream color base. Like I said, it does make it very versatile. All right, so let's talk about the jeans. So I'm pleasantly surprised by the jeans. I didn't think I was like these as well as what I do. So they are a little more fitted here at the butt and in the front here. They are a lighter wash. I'm going to pan down a little bit to show you the leg and the wide leg. So there you can see how wide the leg is. And you've got some fading here on the thighs as well. Just a tiny bit of distressing here on the back. So I get the streamlined look that she's going for with the fitted top and the oversized, not oversized, wide leg jeans. So I'm on the fence with these. I'm not sure how the crotch is feeling a little bit like it's riding up slightly. So I think I'm going to have to wear these around a little bit to see if they are going to be true contenders to keep, and what else would I wear with them if I'm not just pairing it with this top. So that's definitely something I need to think about because I don't have a lot of fitted tops like this. So, all right, next outfit. All right, next up we have the brushed knit pullover. I do like the length of this. I feel like it's long enough to cover anything that you wanted to wear, you know, your bottom and such with leggings that are a little tighter. So the fit of the sweater is very nice. It's very comfortable. I don't mind a turtleneck. I think a turtleneck neckline is very flattering. It's just a simple sweater. Like I said, it does have some details here. It is a little bit of a drop sleeve. It is just a creamy color. It's kind of a mid-weight sweater, not too heavy, not too light, and it does have that detail going down the center. So not much to it. It is very simple, which that's a good thing sometimes too, and this would look equally well with that jacket too. So the leggings, I'm able to get them on, but they do not fit. They aren't coming up high enough to secure the belly there, which is definitely essential with a legging. So, I mean, they're a true black, they're a legging. They do have working pockets in the back. They are a pull-on. They just don't fit right for me. So I do like the sweater, but like I said before, I did just purchase something in a very similar color from Wantable, so this is probably going to go back. But that's all we have. We just have two outfits and the coat and the belt. So let's go ahead and do a quick wrap up. All right, so let's talk some prices. I know you guys have seen the prices. I have not. So let me know what your all's favorite item was and if I should consider keeping anything from this box. I will say there's not anything that I feel like I loved. I mean, I liked the look of the wide leg pants. I know that those are on trend right now with that top. I'm just not sure how much wear I would get out of those two pieces. So let's talk about prices. So the pullover turtleneck, that's this piece here, it is $98. So that's kind of what I was referring to. They are a little pricey at Evereve. And for what? So, I mean, that's pretty, but it's kind of simple. Then we have the blazer, which it is a little pricier, which I was anticipating. It is $148. It is very pretty, very versatile. I feel like I would get a lot of use out of this. I do like it. Again, just not sure if I would pull for it very much. So then we have the belt, and that is here. Again, the sizing was wrong on this one. It is $58. We have the cut from the cloth jeans. These are $99. And I forgot to point out the hem, or the, is it the hem? I guess it's the hem. It is a raw hem and does have some little pieces of fabric falling out, which I don't have a problem with that. Like, I think it's cute. And then it's an unfinished hem. That's what I was looking for, unfinished. Then we have the leggings, which I was not a fan of at all. And these were $59.99. And then we have the mock neck. That's this piece here. And this was $49. So I did like this. I think this is a very pretty collar. I do think I would get some use out of this, even pairing it with some cardigans and things of that nature. So let me know what you guys think. I'm not 100% sold really on any of it. I am going to look back at the footage as always to see what I love and what I don't love. And I also love hearing your all's comments so that I know what to keep, what I should send back. let me know. I will see you guys again soon. I am sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.